I'm going to look at how to convert miles to kilometres and kilometres to miles. So to be able to do this, you need to know the conversion that 8 kilometres is equal to 5 miles. Okay, so if you get a question and it says convert 25 miles into kilometres, so you need to look at what would I multiply 5 by to get it to 25. So that's times by 5. And do the same to the other side, so times this by 5, which would give us 40. So 40 kilometres would be equal to 25 miles. So let's have a look at this question on the back then, right? This is a GCSE question looking at what it says. Sean is driving along a road in Germany which has a speed limit of 80 kilometres per hour. So we've got 80 kilometres per hour. So that just means in 1 hour we would travel 80 kilometres. She's driving at 55 miles per hour. So that's her gauge on her car, her speedometer, is showing that she's travelling at 55 miles per hour. Now, she obviously doesn't know whether she's going over the speed limit or under the speed limit. So the question says, by how much is her speed above or below the speed limit? So we're going to have to change either the 80 kilometres per hour into miles per hour, or we can change the 55 miles per hour into kilometres per hour. So the first thing I'm going to do is write down the conversion. Now we know that 8 kilometres is equal to 5 miles. So let's work with the 80 kilometres, right? So 80 kilometres, what do I do to get from there to there? I multiply by 10. Let's do the same to the other side. That would be 50 miles. So she's actually travelling at 50 miles per hour. Is that above or below? Well, no, I'm lying, sorry. The speed limit, this is the speed limit, and she's actually travelling at 55. So what is she doing? She's driving 5 miles per hour over the speed limit. Oop, gone off the page. Well, let's have a go the other way. So let's convert the miles per hour. So we use exactly the same. We know that 8 kilometres is equal to 5 miles. So she is driving at 55 miles per hour. So what would we do there? We times by 11. So we do the same there. Times by 11, which would give us 88 kilometres. So she's travelling at 88 kilometres per hour. And the speed limit was 80. So she's travelling 8 kilometres per hour over the speed limit. Either of those would be fine.